my dear students. Today we will start a new chapter, chapter 5. The name of the chapter is Files and Folders. Have you heard about that files and folders? Example, if you can prepare a program in Paint. When you open a Paint program and draw one picture like a rose flower or any other flower and save it with that flower with the name. We give the name to that file, my picture or a rose flower, etc. And then you open one notepad or wordpad program and type one document or one poem in that software and save it with another name, my poem, or any other name to that document. Okay. Then why you give the name to that file? Because it is very easy to identify the files. For that purpose we give a unique name for each files. So what is file? File is a collection of data that has been created, stored in a computer. Is it clear? File is a collection of data that has been created, stored in a computer. And when we create a file, we give a name to that one. That is file name. What is file name? File name. Every file has a name. Every file has a name. It helps us to identify easily. For that purpose, we give a name. And file name included numbers or alphabets. And with after that, put one dot or point. After the point, extension of the file also included. For example, myfile.docx. It's a Microsoft Word program file. I prepare one file in Microsoft Word and save with the name myfile.docx. It is the name of the file, and in between the file name and extension one dot. That's a point, and it's called the period. And after the period, one extension. What is extension?
File name extension is a set of characters added to the end of a file name, and it helps Windows to understand what kind of information is in a file and which program will open it. For example, file name extension of notepad .txt and Microsoft Word .docx, and the file name extension of Microsoft Excel .xlsx, and the file name extension of PowerPoint pptx, and Microsoft Access .mdb, and Windows Media Player, it is .avi. And next one, file icons. When we use the computer, we can see that small pictures are present on the desktop. That small pictures are called icons, and all the files in a computer have a specific icon.
Now we know that what is file, file name, and file name extension. And the next one, folder. What is folder? Folder is a container that organizes files. For example, when we prepare Paint program, one file, and in Word program, one file. These files are kept in a folder. And folder is a collection of files. Folder containing collection of files. And when we prepare a folder, inside the folder, that folder is called a subfolder. What is subfolder? Folder inside the folder is called a subfolder. Okay. Next, we want to study about the File Explorer. What is File Explorer? It is a program. What is the use of File Explorer? It helps to organize files and folders in the computer. And File Explorer is a program that helps to organize files and folders in the computer. And
to start File Explorer, first click the Start button on the taskbar. And when you click on the taskbar, the Start menu appears. and click the File Explorer from the Start menu. We get the window of File Explorer. And the main parts of the File Explorer window are: first, title bar. The title bar present at the top of the File Explorer window. And the right side of the title bar containing control buttons like minimize, maximize and close. And the title bar displays the name of the current program or folder. Next one, Quick Access Toolbar. And the Quick Access Toolbar present on the left corner of the title bar, and it provides shortcut for commonly used commands. It can be customized to add more commands. Next one, ribbon. The ribbon present below the title bar provides various commands for working with the files and folders. And the commands are divided into tabs and groups. Next one, address bar. The address bar is below the ribbon. It displays the complete location of the current file or folder. And it also used to access a folder directly by typing its address. Okay. And the next one, search box. The search box on the right side of the address bar is commonly used to search a file or folder by typing the name in the search box. Next one, navigation pane. And the navigation pane is located on the left or below the ribbon area, and it displays various drives and a device connected to our computer in the form of folder. Next one, navigation buttons. The navigation buttons are also present above the navigation pane. The back and forward buttons helps to move between the locations. Next one, content pane. The content pane displays content of the folder or drive that has been selected in a navigation pane. Next, status bar. The status bar at the bottom of the window displays total number of items in the current location, and it also displays shortcut buttons for details view or thumbnail view. Okay.
Okay students, the remaining part of the chapter will be discussed on the next class. Okay, thank you.